Hello. Today we're going to take you on a tour of the standard balcony cabin aboard the Ruby Princess.
And the cabins on the Ruby are identical to those on the Crown, the Caribbean, the Emerald, and obviously the Ruby. The Grand and the Sapphire and the Diamond are all very similar ships. They're just missing the Lido deck compared to the others. Hi y'all, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Becky.
And together we're cruising good time.
So today we're going to take you on that tour on the Ruby Princess, cabin Riviera 523. So here we are on the Ruby Princess in a standard balcony cabin. You can see pretty much the typical things. You see the balcony, you see there's an area to get ready, you have a nightstand beside the bed, you have one just like it on the opposite side of the bed. So the Ruby Princess is not one of Princess's newer ships, so it's very interesting to look at the electrical. So on this wall, we have, the little mini bar area, there's a fridge over there, and one 110 outlet. And in the dressing area, Princess has allowed for two 110 outlets. There are not any 110 outlets near either of the lights on this class for the Princess. So in the main cabin area, all we have is a 3 110 outlet. Therefore, it's very important to bring
We use a 6-way USB charger to charge all our phones and iPads. And this class of ship, at least this particular cabin, does not have a 220 volt outlet like many of the Princess ships do. So if you're from Europe, you need to be aware of that it's only 110 volt that I've seen so far. As far as storage on the Ruby Princess, there's this cabinet right here by the dressing table. Has a couple shelves on it right there, pretty deep for a lot of storage. And then each side of the nightstand has two drawers and then a little cubby hole right there. And you have the same on both sides of the nightstand like that. And then walking into the main closet area, very big closets. You have a lot of room for hang up clothes, got some room up here for extra storage, several shelves and a room safe for a lot of storage. So plenty of room for storage and your clothes. In the bathroom, we have a walk-in shower, has a little line for the drying your clothes up there, your swimsuits. Obviously the other facilities has a nice sink and then several shelves in here for storage as well.
So as most of the Princess cruises have, in the shower, there is a shower gel, and then there is a combination shampoo conditioner. So for those of us with tangling longer hair, not a good choice for us. So think about if you want to bring your own conditioner or shampoo and conditioner. And the other bathroom amenities include lotion and hand soap. So if you're elite, you get a special bar set up, and you can tell this is what we received. So we received, 6 beverages. It looks like there is 8 small bottles of different alcohol, a couple bottles of water, a couple bottles of Perrier, and a couple of beers. So for the Princess balcony, it's a standard balcony.
We are on the Riviera Deck, deck 14 of the Ruby Princess. You can see you have a big overhang from the Lido deck above us. So this could provide a lot of shade if you like the shade, but if you're looking for sunshine or something like that, you may want to consider a lower deck so you get a little more sunshine coming in, because it's a big overhang. Keep you out of the rain on a rainy day though, which is nice. The standard table and 2 chairs, normal size dimensions of every other Princess balcony I think I've been on.
We hope you've enjoyed our video. Please like, subscribe, and leave comments.
Thanks a lot for watching.
There are more to come.